Hi friends, do you like goldfish crackers? If you do, here's a fun idea to use with the colored ones, with the red, green, yellow, and orange ones. You can line them up on here and see how many you have. Just take a handful, put it on a table with an adult's permission, and then just put them on here and see how many you have. And you can add the numbers here. See which one has the most, the least, which is also the smallest, and which one has the same. Here, you can decide what pet should I get with our pet shop. How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And write that here on the line. Here you're going to make a match. What kind of animal is this? This is a fish. So you're going to make a connection and see the word fish. And then this one, if you are able to, is to solve the math problem. These two plus signs, these three are minus signs. That means you're going to add this to equal something. Down here, you're going to take these, take away some to see what you get. Let's try one of these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that leaves how many? So if you have 5 and you take away 4, it leaves 1 left. So you're going to put number 1. You can do this with an adult. And then again, if you are ready, you can write over the names of these animals. Dog, cat, rabbit, and bird. And just practice your writing. There's room on the other side for that or underneath too. Have fun with it, friends. Bye.